In this tutorial, we're going to go through how to set up the recently viewed add-on, which just displays a little panel on the left-hand side of your store, showing which products the customers who have recently visited your store have viewed, giving them the option to go in once again and look at those products. All you need to do to set up this add-on is navigate down to the theme settings, locate the Debutify Add-ons tab, and then locate Recently Viewed. Step 2, come out of the theme settings and scroll down to Recently Viewed. And here you can just change the heading. Sweet, and there you go. Best of luck. And if you're not using Debutify yet, get started today at Debutify.com completely free. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support inside the Debutify app.